Apple cider vinegar is antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antiviral in nature and helps in reducing weight. Let's see how apple cider vinegar helps in losing weight. Later in this video you will learn how to take it, so keep watching till the end. 1. Boosts the metabolism. Apple cider vinegar helps to boost the metabolism of the body, which helps to burn more calories. It also helps to boost the level of enzymes present in our body. These enzymes help to burn excess fat at a faster pace. 2. Prevents fat storage. Apple cider vinegar also prevents the accumulation of fat around the belly area. It reduces the fat storage potential of the body by making the muscles efficient. Thus, it curbs the storage of fats around the belly. 3. Regulates blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar helps to control the level of blood sugar in the body. It has acetic acid in it, which enables the activity of the liver and the muscles too. Thus, it reduces the ratio of insulin to that of the glucagon. It thus helps to reduce the fat accumulation. 4. Reduces appetite. Taking apple cider vinegar curbs the hunger of a person. It reduces the chances to eat junk and oily foods. It suppresses the hunger hormones and reduces our appetite to eat. Thus, we do not overeat and do not get obese. Let's understand how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. In order to lose weight, you need to intake around 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar every day. You can mix it with lukewarm water, honey and some lemon and drink it twice a day. Some people drink it as it is by mixing it with water. So these are the weight loss benefits of apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching.